Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I have my August Boxy charm, and I'm going to be unboxing and trying out some of the products with you guys. So I'm super excited to do this video for you. If you guys enjoy it, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos. So yeah, let's get started with this unboxing. Okay, love, so let's get started with this unboxing. I definitely love the items that they included in this box. They look absolutely gorgeous, and they of course give you the pamphlet with all the prices and all that stuff. I'm gonna leave the total price of the whole box right here so you guys can know. And then the first thing I have here are these House of Lashes. These are the heartbreaker lashes, like this. Now these type of lashes I tend not to go to just because my eyes are so chinky, and they're like this weird shape that I feel like big lashes like these, I think they don't sit well with my face. So I will definitely have to cut them up, try to figure out how I can put these on, just because they're too much of a volume and I feel like that just weighs down my eyes. But I definitely love it. They are super beautiful. I will make it work some way, somehow. I will make these lashes work. And then the next thing my box was gonna fall. So the next thing I have is this Smashbox lipstick, and this is their Warrior Pose matte lipstick. Very pretty. This color looks like more of a fall type color, because I think I would not wear this right now because it has this brown color. I will swatch it for you guys so you guys can see it. Yeah, I definitely feel like this color right here is more of a fall color. I will not wear it right now. We are still in summer, so I will definitely not wear it right now, but when fall comes around I will definitely wear this. It's super creamy. I love it. I love the formula. Super cute. Definitely love it. I can't wait to wear it for fall. I would never wear it right now just because it's such a dark color. Like, it kind of scares me, and I want to stay in summer as much as possible. So the next thing I have is this Bang Beauty. This is an eye gel liner. This is in the shade Chocolate. This looks super nice. Now I do not do wing liner because I don't know how to do it. I always try, I always practice, but it's just so hard for me. So this is not my cup of tea, but I will definitely keep trying and seeing if I can perfect my eyeliner. Okay, so next I have is this Addis, I'm pronouncing it wrong. This is the Organic Infused Age Defying Nail Treatment Essential. So these are for your fingernails. It's supposed to give them like that oil that you put on the right here on the cuticles. This is so good because I always have an issue with mine because they're so dry. I always have to put lotion on it. So I'm super excited to try this out on my fingers and see how good it is. And then next we have are these Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. Now they gave us 3 of these. I'm super excited to try these out because I love masks, and I definitely love eye mask for the under eyes because it helps depuff and all that stuff. So super excited to try that. And then the last thing in my box is the Laura Lee Party Animal palette. This palette is gorgeous. I definitely love the colors. I do not have colors like this in my collection, so I'm super excited to try this out, and I'm going to be doing a eye tutorial for you guys right now. So let's get started and use this palette. Okay, love, so I did one eye off camera because I wasn't sure like how I wanted to play with the Laura Lee palette, but I already figured it out and I like the way it's coming out. I'm not done yet, so stay tuned because I'm going to finish up the entire look so you guys can see it a little bit better. But I am going to go into my Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette, and I'm going to go ahead and take this brown shade, and I'm going to use it as my transition shade just so I can have a base in the bottom. So that is why I wanted to grab into this palette. So I'm just going to go in and put this all over the crease just to start it off. So I'm just gonna swipe it all over and then go into the Laura Lee palette and start off with the colors. Like, I didn't know what I wanted to do, and I came up with this look, which I absolutely love it. I love how it came out. So super excited to try it and show you guys exactly what I did. So I'm gonna go Lee palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Drinks, and I'm gonna go and dip in my brush and just put this all over the eye, or basically where I put the bronze shade at. I'm just gonna swipe it over just so I can get it really intense. So I'm just gonna build it up. Now these shadows are very pigmented. I absolutely love it, and there is not a lot of kickback, which is beautiful. I mean, kickback doesn't bother me at all, but it's very good that it doesn't have a lot of it, which is a very good thing. So I'm just building it up until I get it to the way I want it, and then just gonna keep blending. And I think that's good. I will go back if I need a little bit of more orange in it. So I'm gonna go in with my Flower Beauty concealer, and I'm gonna cut my crease with this concealer, and I'm just gonna go in with this Royal Inline Nickel brush. Let me just clean it off. This is the Royal Inline Nickel brush, and this is the crease and smudge brush. I'm just going to use the flat end on this side and just cut the crease with this. Take the shade Drinks and just blend out the edges a little bit. This eye always comes out better. I don't know why. It just does. So if you guys don't see it like perfection, like this side, I'm sorry. It's just this eye is way better than this eye. Just saying. Okay, so next I'm gonna take Damage Control, which is this beautiful turquoise color, and I'm gonna grab that with the same brush. I already cleaned it off, and I'm just gonna put it right here where the concealer ended. I'm just gonna pack it on until I get the color that I want. So I'm just gonna keep doing that. Take some of the Karaoke, which is the dark blue, navy blue type of shade, and I'm just gonna put it on the outer. Okay, see, you guys can tell, like, this eye is coming out way different from this eye. I'm telling you, this is my better eye. Better eye. I know everyone has a better eye, and this one is my better one. Just saying. So next we're gonna go into Assaparty. Probably pronouncing it wrong, but we're gonna go into this beautiful green shade, and I'm just gonna put this in the inner tear duct. Guys, so this is the finished eye makeup. I am going to go in with mascara and eyeliner and a little bit of lashes. I will let you guys know all that detail down below in the description box. So I'll be right back to finish up the rest of this video. Okay, now, so I am done with this makeup look. What do you guys think? Do you guys want a full-on makeup tutorial using the Laura Lee palette, like doing a different look? Let me know down below, and I will be so excited to film another one. I'm thinking like doing a whole like pinky look, or a whole turquoise look, or a whole blue look. Like, I have so many ideas on using this palette. It's an awesome palette. I think it's very blendable. I love it. Look at how beautiful my look came out today. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys loved it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, loves.